Find the perimeter and area of DABC. Line construction, properties of similar triangles, Pythagoras theorem, arithmetic operations, algebraic processes, area and perimeter formulas of trapezium are used to solve this question. Label points E, F, and G. Locate the centers O and Q of the congruent circles and join them. Join line A, E and line B, F. Line A, B equals line E, F, which equals to 1. It is because the opposite lengths of a rectangle are equal. Line D equals half of 3 and line O, G equals R minus half. Triangle EDA and triangle GOA are similar triangles. This implies that line ED divided by line DA equals line GO divided by line OA. Substitute values. We have that half of 3 divided by 2 times R equals R minus halves. All divided by R. Cross multiply. We have that half of 3 times R equals 2 times R multiplied by R minus half. R cancel out from the equation. This implies that half of 3 equals 2 times R minus half. Simplify. 3 divided by 2 times 2 equals 3 divided by 4, which equals to R minus half. Solve for R. This implies that R equals the sum of half and 1/4 of 3, which equals to 5 divided by 4. Hence, R equals to 5 divided by 4. Consider triangle EDA. By Pythagoras theorem, the square of line EA equals the square of line DA minus the square of line ED, which equals, that is, the square of 2 times R minus the square of half of 3. It follows that the square of line EA equals 16 divided by 4. Take the square root of the equation. This implies that line EA equals 2. Therefore, area of DABC equals to half the sum of line AB and line CD all multiplied by line AE. Substitute values. We have that area of DABC equals half the sum of 1 and 4. All multiply by 2, which equals to 5 in square units. This implies that line EA equals 2 times 1/4 of 5 minus 1/4 of 9, which equals to 16 divided by 4. Take the square root of the equation. It follows that line EA equals 16 divided by 4, which equals to 2. This implies that perimeter of DABC equals the sum of line AB, line BC, line CD and line DA equals 1 plus 2 times R plus 4 plus 2 times R, which equals to 10 units. After substitution of R and simplification. Therefore, perimeter of DABC equals 10 units.